Alright, so we're on Nancy Fertrall's roof. It is February 26, 2025. Here, I'm getting close. Here's the brownwood. I will send the receipt showing this is the recommended shingle by the ITEL. I'll also send the receipt of it getting purchased. Yeah. Pretty similar color, but definitely not the same. So we're going to remove this course right here. Damage in it. Start bud. Just by popping that, that's popped. That's popped. These seals are destroyed already just from releasing these. It's literally done it to every one of them. So these aren't going to seal back down. So I mean, obviously this has already failed. I've tried this multiple times and come up with the same solution each time. But this is unrepairable. By doing that, see, I'm trying to get minimum look on these, just no damage. But as you can see, I mean, it's pop the seal, come in close. This is from minimal lift, and we get complete creasing down the whole thing. On the dragons, it popped loose, creasing on the whole thing. Pretty sure this is the third repair attempt we've done on this roof, showing the same outcome each time. Same thing, creasing in here. See the new shingle compared to the old shingle, so it's definitely not a match. We're mismatched. We can't cut in the field and maintain the warranty through Owens Corning unless it's the exact same shingle. So comparable shingle will not work with Owens Corning's. And as you can see, we are a different size. See the overlap right here. Getting close. this. And where the creases have occurred. That's directly above. And this guy is sealed into here too, so obviously that's going to be a little more difficult. Yeah. So you can see crease in this guy. That guy survived somehow. That guy's got a crease coming up top. So yeah, once again, attempting to repair this roof for the third time. We've done more damage again. There's damage on every single slope. This roof is absolutely unrepairable. It's our third time out here trying to show this. Now we've done it with the recommended shingle that we obviously do not have a match. Owens Corning isn't going to put any warranty behind this if we cut and use a different shingle in the field. I know this for a fact. I can provide documentation, but creasing here, D-lam here, D-lam here, Dragon Tooth's D-lam. Complete mat transfer on the Dragon Tooth. These are not going to seal back down at all. This whole shingle is going to fail. Next big windstorm, this is coming off. 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 Water's going to leak through here. It's an unrepairable roof.